Language.Foundation's Video Dictionary, helping you achieve understanding.
Getting something back again. Regaining, restitution, return. The state of being restored to its former good condition. Refurbishment, renovation. A model that represents the landscape of a former geological age or that represents an extinct animal, etc. Some artifact that has been restored or reconstructed. The restoration looked exactly like the original. The act of restoring something or someone to a satisfactory state. The re-establishment of the British monarchy in 1660. The reign of Charles II in England, 1660 to 1685.
Become our student and get access to effective and free educational materials. Subscribe to our channel to become a part of our growing community and to learn English effectively.